This is a trig function with a natural log, but I feel like it should be a natural progression to take the derivative of this because we know the individual things. So you know the derivative of tangent is secant squared, and if you don't, I'll put a link in the description to show you why and how that's true and how you can find it out on your own. But let's just assume that you remember the tangent derivative, okay? So we have functions within functions within functions. Definitely a chain rule situation. So if I take the derivative, I'll just ddx this like this, right? What are we going to get? We're going to get a secant squared of the original function, which is natural log of ax plus b, then chain rule, which would be times 1 over the input ax plus b. Chain rule should be just the times a, I think. So that would mean that we would get, for our answer, kind of an ugly one, we can't change it much, a secant squared natural log ax plus b divided by, that's a terrible divided by, I can't even leave it behind for an easy problem, ax plus b. And this is the answer. So this is really a question of chain rule and whether or not you remember the derivative to secant squared, and that the derivative of natural log is 1 over its own input, and that the chain rule requires you to take a out of that one. And that's all it takes.